Are you in need of a reliable and user-friendly proxy checker? Look no further. We have just the solution for you. So let's get straight to the point. To download the Proxy Tester, simply choose the version that matches your specifications, 32-bit or 64-bit. In our case, we have a 64-bit machine, so we'll download the 64-bit version. During the installation process, you may encounter a Windows Defender pop-up. This is because the software is new and hasn't received a software certificate yet. However, rest assured that the proxy checker is safe to use. Once the installation is complete, follow the installation wizard to have the tool installed on your desktop. To launch the proxy checker, double-click on the shortcut on your desktop. The target URL is the web address you want to test your proxies against. You can modify it to suit your testing needs. Once you have purchased your proxies, simply click on Import Proxies. A window will appear allowing you to import your proxies. It supports two formats: IP port or IP port username password. After pasting your proxies, click Import Proxies. Now you can start testing your proxies by clicking Test Proxies. The proxy checker will now check the proxies against your target URL, displaying their status and connection speed. To stop the testing, simply click Stop. After testing your proxies, you can export them by clicking on the Export Proxies button and saving them locally. Only the working proxies will be exported. If you want to remove current proxies, click the Remove Proxies button and import different ones. With this straightforward proxy tool, you can verify the speed, reliability, and compatibility of purchased proxies with specific websites. The Proxy Tester supports both IPv4 and IPv6 proxies. If you're interested in IPv6 proxies, check out our previous video on IPv6 residential proxies. And that brings us to the end of our walkthrough of the Plain Proxies Tester tool. We've seen how it simplifies the process of checking and verifying proxies, making it an essential tool for anyone who frequently works with proxies. Don't forget to visit plainproxies.com/resources/proxy-tester to download your proxy tester today. Link in the description. And if you have any further questions or need additional help, please feel free to leave us a comment below or reach out to our support team. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and resources. Until next time, stay connected, stay secure.